Hey, so if you accidentally deleted an important meeting, reminder, or event in Google Calendar, don't panic. Yeah, in many cases, you can actually recover it pretty quickly. In this guide, I'll show you how to recover deleted events in Google Calendar step by step. All right, first, open Google Calendar in your browser and sign in to your account. Now click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Look for the trash or bin section where deleted calendar events are temporarily stored. Scroll through the deleted items and locate the event you want to restore. Click the Restore icon or Restore button to bring the event back to your calendar. Now return to your calendar and confirm the event appears again on the correct date. If it was a shared calendar, ask the calendar owner to check their trash folder too. If the event was permanently deleted recently, Google Workspace users may still have recovery options through admin tools. To avoid losing events again, enable sync across devices and double-check before deleting recurring events. And yeah, that's it. In most cases, deleted Google Calendar events can be recovered pretty easily if you act quickly.